Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be learning about the difference between syntax and semantics. So syntax in HTML basically means the correct way of writing our tags, the correct way of coding in HTML. It is more like putting pieces together in the right order that will produce a perfect output. So let's see an example. Now, if you are writing maybe an H1 or an H2 or any edit or any tag at all, it is compulsory, it is necessary that you close your tag, except otherwise for some self-closing tags. But when you are using tags like this, it is necessary that you close them. Now, if you did not put a forward slash here, this is syntactically wrong in HTML. The same way you're using, let's say you're using a style attribute. Now, this is how it is written: the equal to sign and the double quotes. Now, if you maybe remove the equal to here and put it like this, it is syntactically wrong. Or let's say you even put it correctly in this part, and then maybe when you got here, maybe instead of putting a colon, you put equal to. Or let's say there is a colon and there is break. Now, I want to add another property, and let's say text align center, and then font size 20 pixels or 30 pixels. Now, this style is not going to apply to whatever you're setting it to, because at the end of each property, there should be a semicolon at the end of each one. Just like we have here. After the color, I have a semicolon to demarcate this from the other property. Then after the text align, I also have a semicolon. Then after the font size, I have a semicolon. But in this case, I do not have a semicolon. So this is syntactically wrong. So syntax just basically means the correct way of coding in HTML, the correct way of writing your tags or using some attribute. Now, when we're talking about semantics just basically means using these tags properly. Syntax denotes the correct way of using them, just like the example I gave here. While semantics explains the proper way of using these tags. Let's see an example. So I have my heading tags in H1 to H6. I have the navigation, I have the nav tag, I have the div tag, I have the paragraph tag. And so let's say I'm writing a story, and this is the topic of the story. The topic of the story is the little girl and the little girl. Oh, let's just try the little girl. So this is okay. If someone else says this, the person will understand that, okay, this is an heading. This is like the topic of the story. Now, it would be wrong for me to use the footer tag in writing this. I mean, this is a topic of the story. This is like an heading. It is wrong. I'm not using it properly. It is going to work the same way. It is going to work the same way, but I'm not properly using the tags. So instead of using footer for an heading, just use an heading tag. Now, in the same way, I cannot write. It would be wrong for me to use the heading tag or maybe paragraph or a div tag for my footer text. Now, let's say I want to have a text at the bottom, at the end of my page, at the end of my web page. It is very okay for me to use the footer tag. It explains the text at the bottom of the page, footer. The same way header explains the text at the beginning, at the top. So they are going to work the same way. It's not going to give you error, but you are not using the tags properly. So that is what semantics means. So syntax is more like the correct way of using your tags, attributes, and then semantics is the proper way of using them. So with this few examples and explanation, I hope you guys now understand the difference, or you guys are now enlightened on the difference between syntax and semantics in HTML. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.